If you remember last time round, Netflix gave us their quarterly earnings. There was a big miss and the share price fell sharply. Today, it's a very different tale. However, the day began like this, with Morgan Stanley slashing its 12-month share price target for Netflix from around $480 per share to around $450. And it wasn't the only company to do that. Analysts fearing the strong dollar and rising interest rates means it's going to cost Netflix more to do its business and possibly crimp its content. Another area of concern for Netflix, as you must know, is the very, very strong streaming competition in the world these days, not least of all from the new Disney streaming service coming out any day now, and we're told a new one from AT&T and its content partner Time Warner due in 2019. Analysts said before today's numbers that subscriber numbers will be key to Netflix's success, particularly international growth, including China, because the domestic market, they said, was pretty much saturated. When the numbers came out after the closing bell on Tuesday, they were pretty stellar, and the Netflix share price simply soared away. At the end of the day, Netflix reported earnings per share of 89 cents, whereas 68 cents had been anticipated. Revenue came bang in line with Wall Street expectations at around $4 billion, but it was the subscriber numbers that excited investors. In the USA, putting on another 1 million new subscribers, where just over 600,000 had been anticipated. Internationally, 5.87 million versus an estimate of 4.46 million. And the profit forecast for the fourth quarter is going to be enhanced because the subscriber numbers are enhanced as well. Netflix predicting an additional 9 million subscribers in the fourth quarter as opposed to 7.7 million estimated by Wall Street. Now, the Netflix share price was ahead by 4.2%, ahead of the closing bell in anticipation of the numbers. And once those numbers had come out, it soared by about 15%. When I checked a few moments ago, it settled down to around 11 or 12% gain. And I guess what this means is that everybody in the world loves TV and movies. John Terrett, CGTN, at the New York Stock Exchange.